Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Echo Show 15 has suddenly stopped functioning properly, whether it's freezing, failing to respond, losing connectivity, or showing unusual behavior, you are definitely not alone. Problems with the Echo Show 15 can happen because of temporary software glitches, network interruptions, power issues, or outdated system software. Fortunately, many of these problems can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting methods before considering more advanced solutions. A device that isn't working normally doesn't always mean there's a hardware problem. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help get your Echo Show 15 working properly again. Try these. Step 1. Confirm that the Echo Show 15 is receiving power and that the adapter is securely connected. Step 2. Verify that the Echo Show 15 has access to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Step 3. Restart the Echo Show 15 to clear temporary system glitches. Step 4. Check whether software updates are available for the Echo Show 15 and install them if needed. Step 5. Disconnect the Echo Show 15 from power for several minutes and then reconnect it. Step 6. Confirm that the Echo Show 15 is responding normally and that its features are functioning correctly.